Where's the bird
In
at,
the
though?
tree somewhere. But guess what? Do the trail and then up in the trees.
Let's go.
Are you ready? Let's go. Look, get this little bit here too. You can swing it so fast. Yeah. Let's go on down the trail. On this rainy day, right?
I mean,
Look, a pond is over there.
where?
Look there.
Is that the one we just saw?
No, this is a different one.
It's starting to rain hard. No, I think it's stopping. It's not raining that much anymore. Who just leaves that trash can like that? Wow.
Go this way. Look.
Ooh, look at that. Over there.
I know, but look in front of you. Be careful with the water.
Oh, yeah, go around it.
Yeah.
Come this way, come this way.
Okay. Yeah, straight ahead. Ooh, look at the bridge. Look straight ahead. Yeah, like that. That looks nice. Right?
Yeah. Oh, look at that tree trunk over there.
Yeah, that's another one that fell.
Yeah, over there. And what is that? Oh my god.
Straight ahead. Get it straight ahead.
But like, what
Get
are...
a trail.
Ooh.
Oh look, it says concrete jungle.
Concrete jungle. Dad, look at those over there. Oh. 1 minute and 50 seconds.
Keep it just straight.
Yeah, I'm gonna keep it straight for now
Yeah.
because we don't see anything interesting right now.
In the nighttime, this would be dark and scary.
It would be better though because
I know.
there's another bridge all the way over there.
Mm-hmm.
Look, is that a cornfield or something?
Nah, those are just wild bushes. Come on this side. Come on this side. Oh, on this side. Tiptoe. Yeah, there you go. Tiptoe to it.
Why?
Yeah, so, yeah, there you go. You're good.
Why is there so much water on this one instead of all
It's
the
a
other?
lot of rain on this.
I mean, the rain is stopping a little bit.
Maybe this side is lower, so.
Yeah, hold on.
Visit this side with the bush. Oh, look, there's another pond here.
Where? Okay, let's go.
Let's go on the bridge and get that one. And then maybe that's it. Oh, look at this little stream here. Go on the bridge.
The bridge. Oh, look at that!
That's where the water's coming from. Look, follow it. Look.
Yeah, so
Down. Look.
this is where it ends.
Look, get right the little bridge here. Look. It's faster there. And then wait just straight ahead.
Oh, but that's big.
And then straight ahead. Right here.
What?
Set up straight. Like that. Okay, stop it.
What do you mean?